Yeah, you got the chain. Oh, it's right there on the corner behind here.
Alaska Fence work. When we do our front, it's greatly appreciated. Of course, it costs.
You got a gate coming.
Oh, wow. That can go over here. We're
Throw it on the set truck.
set truck even one of them. I got the gun open up the gate. Registers down the line under there now. him.
Teeth man.
Wow, look how fat that is. That's one of the white ones.
What's that, a worm?
The big one.
Oh yeah, I got full. Under every tomato pot, there's a big worm.
I bet.
Yeah,
Feel-
that's a,
Good place to go fishing.
that's a meaty one.
Get bait. I ought to open up a bait shop.
What's that?
I ought to open up a bait shop.
Yeah.
Because every time I move a pot, man, I find about 2 or 3 of those under there.
He's getting his point.
We'll work on the other side. We got too many projects. Next year we'll call you back to do the other side.
Cool. We'll be happy to come back and do it.
Oh yeah, there's no problem. It's just we got so many projects going on right now. This is something we had to because I couldn't open the door, and I've had to rebuild the door. You can see that thing's old,
Oh yeah. Yeah.
really old.
Got a big crab ball at the very bottom. And you know what? If it's down there another foot or so, we'll go right out.
There's nothing. No.
There's something.
Back foot, dude.
It'll come out this time.
Said that like you had a little plate, dude.
Worst case scenario, you stop digging, dig down this side of it, slap that off, give it a bigger beat. Drop it off. Drop it off.
looking now. 4x4 to 4x6. Good stuff. What's that?
I said, what YouTube channel do you post your stuff to?
On we have a family vlog.
Oh,
It's not for money. It's just for family stuff. Excuse me.
yeah.
It's called Tommy Tuckaluk.
Okay.
A gal up on one of the islands up north gave me the name, but it was pronounced differently, but I never could pronounce it. Or something like that.
Right.
But I couldn't pronounce it, so I just call it Tommy Tuckaluk. And
Yeah.
she called my friend Harry Beluga, and so that was her nicknames.
Okay.
That was about 40 years ago when we met her.
Uh-huh.
And so I figured, well, I just put that It's not like it sounds, but it was actually a native. It was indigenous people's names there.
Yeah.
And old Liz gave me that. She was married to a friend of mine who passed away. He had cancer or something. But anyway, it just stuck, and so that's why I posted on there.
Right. Cool.
I don't do it for monetary reasons. I just do it. I started filming back in '75 after during the evacuation of Saigon. I bought a Super 8 a movie camera back there, and I filmed part of the evacuation. That's the first time I was in the Philippines. I fell in love with the place, but I don't have to bring VHS tapes, cassette tapes, DVDs, CDs, or anything else. We just posted it on. I just pay once a month there to YouTube, and it's all stored in there. It's just like all our pictures. We got like about 1,200 videos there. We keep them in the iCloud.
Yeah.
And you don't have to have a big storage. You know, they stop you for all that money, get tired of buying new stuff because it was so filled up. But probably next week.
Yeah, I would count on
Okay.
something like that. Don't quote
Are you
me
gonna put
on
any
that,
supports to hold it up in place, or?
No, actually, that's going to be stiff here in about a couple hours. But be sure not to bump it.
Oh, sure. I'm just gonna. I wanna show put this back over here. Every spring when the frosties are done. See, this is all brought out. These poles here are good, but everything else is wrong. That's. But like I said, we got too many things. I really didn't want to do this, but we had an issue with the door, and when it blows here, it's nasty.
Oh yeah.
It's like a funnel.
Yeah, this new gate you're going to get to it's a steel tubing frame, so
Okay, that's good.
it's going to take some abuse.
Yeah, and then there's always shifts in the ground there when you have the frosties. Yeah.
Unfortunately, here in Alaska, that's what you got to do.
Yeah.
99% of fence problems are the heating issue. If it isn't the wind, it's the ground where the
Yeah.
You don't like me, you don't.
There's some of the building codes about
So it's time to get out that job like the other night. We got out the job and set up.
well. We'll move on to our next one for the day. We still got a few to go too, so
Okay, thank you, sir.
you're welcome.
We'll see you.
All right, have a good day.